I've received several questions from beginner traders in our community asking me, how are you calculating the pips? 100 pips, 60 pips, how are you getting these pips? So I have devoted this video to explain step by step to all beginner traders how you can calculate your pips, and I've marked out different price levels to explain this. So I'll give you multiple examples. So if you are a beginner trader and you are confused about how to calculate your pips, just sit back and watch this video to the end, because I promise it's going to clear every doubt on how you calculate your pips. Okay, all right, so let's begin with looking at the current price in the market. So this is the current candle and it's showing us the current price, which is 0.91289. okay, that is the current price. So let's take the first example. We want to calculate the number of pips between this current price and this price level at 0.92221. So to calculate the number of pips between these two price levels, I need to subtract the lower price from the higher price, which is 0.92221 minus 0.91289. When I do that subtraction, I'll be having 0.00932. That will be the difference between these two price levels. Now, how many pips are here? That is where many newbie traders get confused. So I want to explain and I want you to pay attention. So the last digit always is your pipette, which is 1/10 of a pip. That is, in this case, it is 2/10, which will give you 0.2 pip. Okay, so you keep that aside. Now your unit pip begins with this very fourth decimal place. So you have 3 unit pips, 9, 10 pips, 0, 100 pips, 0,000 pips. So in this case, what you have here is 93 pips, 2 pipettes, which is 93.2 pips. I hope that makes sense. So let's take the next example. Assuming I still want to enter a trade at this very price, this current price level of 0.91289, and maybe I want to target this price level at this blue line, which is 0.90046. I want to know the difference between the two. What do? I subtract the lower price level from the higher price level. So in that case, we have 0.91289 minus 0.90046. So when we do the subtraction, the difference will be 0.01243. That will be the difference. Like I explained in the first example, this last digit is a pipette, which is 1/10 of a pip. Our unit pip starts with the next digit after the pipette. So in this case, we have 124 pips, 3 pipettes, which is 124.3 pips. So let's take another example. Assuming we want to calculate the number of pips between this current price and this price level with this orange mark. All right, so the number of pips will be the difference between the two price levels, 0.91289 minus 0.88383. So when we do that subtraction, we have 0.02906. That will be the difference, and that being interpreted will give us 290 pips, 6 pipettes, which is 290.6 pips. So let's continue with another example. If I want to get the number of pips between this very current price and this price level represented with this purple horizontal line, in that case, we look for the difference, which is 0.91289 minus 0.87407. The difference is 0.03882. That means we're having 388 pips, 2 pipettes, which is the same as 388.2 pips. All right, so one last example. Let's say, for instance, we are looking for the number of pips between this blue price level and this price level represented with this orange line. So the difference will give us the number of pips, which is 0.90046 minus 0.8838. 0.083. When you subtract, you get 0.01363. So that is the difference, and the number of pips is 136 pips, 3 pipettes, which is 136.3 pips. So to make it simple for you, whenever you finish finding the difference between the two price levels, all you need to do is just to move your decimal point to the last digit. Okay, so when you just put your decimal point to the last digit, that will just give you the exact number of pips. So that is just a simple way to go about it. I hope this has cleared every confusion you may have on how to calculate your pips. Thank you for watching, and do have a great day.